Carboot. To normal people, a carboot is a pop-up summer market where people sell second-hand things from a little stall or the back of their car. For glitching Normality and other gamer goblins, it's a potential treasure trove of hidden gems.
Hello Glitch Gamers, this is Daz from Glitching Normality here today, showing one of our hauls from our carboot sale adventure, joined by Rox and Frogbro.
All time. Bobblehead.
Nice to been on the go.
Nearly 1999 it came to England. Yes.
Yeah, you've got some of the original Japanese cards, haven't you,
My
mate?
brother played the game when it came out, and it was his friend sort of started it. And then I wanted anything that was shiny and pink, essentially, to be involved. And then I got all his spares, and then I got my own set, and it really slowly developed. And ever since then, I've just been collecting off and on things that I like, things that I've seen. And this is a creation of nearly 30 years worth of stuff.
Wow.
We had a box once Blair hadn't struck it, so we had lotion.
Do you still collect, or do you just sell now?
I collect as well. I collect certain sets. I also collect wall pictures and actresses. They're my two characters, and a few evolutions as well. That's Espion and Basic Priority.
Espion's my top evolution.
I'm a number on man personally.
He had a family.
Can you hand it over?
There could be the prime card of the set.
And the money, mate.
£5.50, lovely.
Prime card should be worth £140. Yeah.
We got the new Mimikyu!
You got the gamble.
We're gonna have to do like a Mimikyu haul one day.
Yeah.
No idea.
Could we please get a Victoria sponge?
A full or a half?
Here you go, a full, aren't you, mate?
Full one?
Yeah, please, thank you. You do some for charity sometimes as well?
My profits go between Shine, mental health, because my husband had dementia. And the other half goes to the Over 50s Youth Club in Horncastle.
Oh wow.
Oh.
Yeah.
I love the pin badges, they're so cute.
They're £1 each of the pin badges. There's loads.
Do you know your Pokemon well?
Yes.
Do you have any Mimikyu? Oh, you do have 3 Mimikyu.
I've got 3 Mimikyus.
Oh, and any Mew?
I think the Mew might have just gone.
That's alright. Oh look mate, it's also got a side hook in it.
Nah.
Umbreon.
That's weird.
No, the Mew's just gone.
That's alright.
No, the shoulder.
So I'll do my best.
Oh, I like that. That's brilliant.
Yeah, see you later. We do have... Oh, just throw my keyrings on the floor. We do have a Mew keyring now.
Oh,
Good luck, man.
cute.
They're all £1 as well.
Oh.
Do you want that?
And the Mimis, unfortunately. We're going to have to get all of them.
Yeah.
I decided
if you
Yeah. Also, as well, love the shirt. I'm a massive Dragon Ball fan myself.
The shorts as well.
Yeah.
Dragon Ball one.
That's fit today. I want people to know I like this more than this.
Yeah, no, Dragon Ball's like my favourite anime as well.
Yeah,
so.
that's...
You did?
Oh,
Wow.
So that's the Pikachu Mimikyu one.
I gotta admit though, I'm a Goku guy.
Yeah, I'm a Vegeta
Oh,
guy.
he's Vegeta.
Yeah.
Opposites, man. Complete opposites. Although in Super, they get along pretty damn well. And it's
Yeah.
nice to see.
I have got to say though, but Vegeta has got the best character arc.
Yeah.
His
The
progression is
redemption
awesome.
from like when he started to now
Yeah.
what he is. I love probably Dragon Ball more than
Yeah.
Right.
Do you want to pick
way
one?
too
You can pick.
Yeah.
way too out there to say I didn't. Yeah, Dragon Ball for me it's Z.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I've
I'll
got
give you a
to
little
say.
bag for
It's just
these.
nostalgia.
Thank you.
Yeah,
That's
definitely.
when I was born, watching
Yeah.
the Cartoon Network, you know.
Oh yeah, I remember at like 11 o'clock at night because of all the violence and stuff.
No, I keep this repressed childhood memory of the saddest moment in my life. And
Oh,
it's
yeah.
when Goku went Super Saiyan 3 for the first time and he's head on against Majin Buu and they're in the sky.
Yeah.
And the commentator guy was like, will Goku's new final form be able to defeat Majin Buu? Tune in next time on Dragon Ball Z. And then it ended. And then Cartoon Network moved Dragon Ball Z to their other network, which was Toonami.
Yes.
Remember that?
Yeah.
And we, at the time, my family, we couldn't afford.
Oh no.
So I was like 8 and I never knew what happened until I discovered the internet when I was 16 and I rewatched or got to that point and was like, this is it. I'm finally going to continue on it. Like an extra 10 years and I finally got to see and finish Dragon Ball Z.
That is worth it though, 10 years later.
I know. As a kid, I was so upset. I was like, what happened? You know, I couldn't Google it or anything like that.
Yeah.
I was like, what happened at the time? I need to know. But yeah,
Ah.
always remember that.
Yeah. My first memory, I think, was I got home from school and my brother flipped it on. And it was just when Goku confronted Frieza in the Namek arc, which is why the Namek arc is my favourite arc.
It's my favourite too.
Yeah.
Although the Cell's up there. I quite like the Cell one.
Yeah, weirdly, I actually quite like the Boo arc, because I know the Boo arcs, people's just like, it drags on a little bit, which it does.
I think it drags on enough. I think there's a lot going off in there that keeps you pulled into it, you know?
Yeah.
For me, anyway.
Yeah. Plus, Vegeto's just cool.
For now.
Yes.
Here is what we got today. Look at it all in this cute Pikachu bag as well. So Frogbro got his giant card, I got my Mew keyring, the Mimis, which came with a sticker. We got a pack we're going to open in a minute, the delightful cake, which went very quickly. We got 3 packs of Uno cards, which you probably got on our little store, or as a giveaway, a Mimi card, and some kitty balls. So, yeah, I think this Mew keyring was one of my favourites, but look at these cute Mews. Obviously, our cat Mew will love these. He's a little crazy, but amazing. And yeah, we're gonna open this pack in a sec. Because, why not? Frogbro's waited all day, he's been really good. And he got some pretty cool stuff. Oh, and we also got that book for a friend, and these Uno cards. And Mimi, so collections building.
Heck yeah.
And that's it. We're gonna go make a burger, burger, and what's the burger man today?
Some weirdo.
No, I'm putting Minecraft noises over that. Redo it, that'll be nuts.
Leave it. Cat, what's left?
Oh yeah, she's more
There you
like
go.
your portion. normal off-camera portion. It's not arguing, you know.
Shout out to Being Meats Food.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Oh, here we are. We're going to open this Mega Gardevoir pack, which I believe the set is coming out soon in English, but we got a Japanese pack for our carboot haul. So let's see what we got. 5 cards in the pack. These are harder to open than English packs.
Oh.
I think it's a Gimmighoul by the look. Nope, it is a Curlier. Right, so let's see if we can get it focusing in. Oh, this way.
There, perfect.
We got Curlier, Bunnery, Delmise. I know what this card is. I've seen it in a deck list for Mega Gardevoir. I think it is. You draw a card for each psychic energy attached to each of your Pokemon. So it's pretty good. And then our rare is Ninjask. But yeah, so there we go. Just a quick recap of what we got. So overall, I'd say our best pull in this is the Psychic Field spell, which is good for the Mega Gardevoir deck.
It is anyway.
Oh yeah, another little thing we managed to pick up is this giant jumbo card for a different vendor. She was pretty nice. And I believe we got this for £5, which isn't too bad. It's pretty cool. It's a Crobat VMAX. Crobat's a pretty cool Pokemon. So yeah, overall, a pretty decent haul. And we're going to show you more from what we got at Carboot in a bit later. Anyway,